Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Sinbyuer Cordless Car Pressure Washer. There are features include all-around mobility. Ditch tangled cords for true freedom with Sinbyuer Cordless Pressure Washer. Cordless design frees you to clean anywhere from cars to garden without being tied to an outlet. The extended 16.5 feet hose lets you draw water from lakes or buckets, no longer be limited to faucet. At the same time, the filter on the hose could effectively filter impurities and particles in water, eliminating your concerns about hose blockage. High power cleaning. Sinbyuer Cordless Power Washer delivers up to 600 psi pressure. Powerful and strong water flow can easily remove stubborn stains anywhere. Whether it is moss on your garden floor or mud on car surface, it can clean quickly and effectively. When used in conjunction with the included foam cannon, spray the foam first and then rinse. With just these simple steps, your cleaning tasks will be much more efficient. Battery extended runtime. Come with large capacity 8000 mAh battery, it delivers continuous 35 to 45 minute operation, which is sufficient for most cleaning work on a single charge. Even though you have more cleaning needs, 2 to 3 hour fast charging time could also help you reduce waiting time. So if you are looking for a more worry-free battery pressure washer to finish your cleaning works, Sinbyuer will surely not disappoint you. Adjustable 6-in-1 nozzle. Sinbyuer high pressure washer comes with a 6-in-1 nozzle, allows you to easily switch different modes by rotating to meet your multi-needs. Simply choose nozzle angle including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, spray, 0 degrees inclined mode, all your needs can be solved. The versatility is perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks in your home and garden. Whether cleaning your car, patio, or walls, it gets the job done with ease. Easily using for everyone, Sinbyuer Cordless Pressure Washer Gun has taken into account more users' opinions, abandoned complicated installation steps, and made it easy for everyone who wants to use it to master. Meanwhile, it comes with clear instruction manual for showing simple setup and quick connect all ports. Lightweight and compact size also makes storage a breeze, taking up minimal space in your yard or car. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.